in the white T-shirt.
I got you. I got you. What did you get out of your reading?
Did you get a chance to read the book?
Yeah.
Yes.
What stood out for you?
Well, coming from the other country to
We got this. We got it. It's like being at school in class. Everybody got to hear you.
it was a big shock.
Yolanda's from Germany.
Ah, it's because of that. So,
And you?
no, I'm from right here. So what was the big shock?
I went Christmas shopping,
Ah.
and I loved it.
We have Gail with us, and she's the photographer.
Oh, wow.
And we got our tour guide.
A photographer.
Yeah, we're talking.
Hi. Hi, Jane. Hi, you're Mr. All
right.
Here,
Man, this is Carol. You get the big book. This is
Here you go.
Awesome. This is awesome, right?
Baltimore City Tourism Office going to do Baltimore. First time in history, almost put an African American on the front cover. So there's a great story in here on page 23 and 24. So thank you for organizing the tour. So all we were doing that before we kicked off was just asking people who read the book what stood out.
Oh.
So we'll start over here. And everybody just give us an idea what stood out.
I just found it interesting how he actually learned how to read and write.
Yeah, how smart he must have been to, at that age to pick up everything. He was a brilliant man.
Okay.
I think for me, I read it a couple years ago, and that point in the book where they explained how they fed the children and they used the pig's slop.
Oh, yes.
I'll just, that will never leave my mind.
Yeah, how slaves were treated.
I was shocked that we're all teachers, and
Good.
I was shocked that as a teacher, I didn't know more about Frederick Douglass, because I think it really should have been taught in the schools with it. I mean, he's such a brilliant man. I didn't even realize abolitionists started so early. I mean, we're talking about Trump and getting up every morning and like, oh God, he's still there. And that's like 2 years. I mean, they went 40 years every day getting up wishing it would change, and it didn't. I can't imagine how you keep the momentum going.
Question for you.
What struck me.
Say your name again, because I'm trying to catch your names. Okay.
What struck me in the book was the cruelty.
The what?
The cruelty.
The cruelty.
Yeah.
I was really, I'm still upset about the Southern Christians who can justify